morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, before we formal start, let me introduce to you the objective of our lesson for today. So, can you please read, Miss Janet?
Yes, ma'am. Um, the first objective is define what is morbidity and mortality. The second one is identify the leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. And the third one is create an essay about morbidity and mortality by showing the developmental awareness.
So, okay, thank you. That is our objective for our lesson for today. So, are you ready for your activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here's your activity. So, I have a picture here called the activity called four picks one word. So can you please identify the first four picture? What did you notice about the first picture?
Um, I in the first picture, it's all about junk food, so it's unhealthy food, ma'am.
You're correct. How about the next one? The other picture, the
Ma'am,
second one.
the second picture is all about death, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, what comes to your mind with you answering the activity?
Ma'am, I think it's about the morality is being dead and morbidity is being ill or disease, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, did you know what our lesson for today?
Based on the activity, ma'am, I think our topic for today is about morbidity and morality, ma'am.
You're correct. So, our lesson for today is the leading cause of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. So, let me show you what is morbidity. Can you please read, Miss Janet?
Morbidity is a condition of being ill, disease, or unhealthy. This can include acute illnesses as well as chronic illness. The morbidity rate examine how many people get a certain disease in a specific geographical location during a specific period, ma'am.
So, that is morbidity. So, a simplest term of or in the short term is morbidity is being ill or disease. So we move on to the next, which is morality. So morality is a condition of being dead. It's important to recognize that morbidities may or may not lead to a morality. Morality rate examine that number of deaths in a population over time, either in general or due to a specific cause. So morality is being dead. So there's a relationship between morbidity and morality. Morbidity is being ill and morality is being dead. So let's proceed to the top 10 leading causes of morbidity in the Philippines as of 2018 according to the Department of Health. So let's proceed to the 10th. So acute fever illness. Can you please read what is acute feverly illness?
Acute febrile illness refer to a fever that persists for more than 4 days and may be caused by various infection diseases.
So that is the acute febrile illness. So let's proceed to the next one is dengue fever. Also known the breakbone fever is a viral infection transmitted by mosquito. So the next one is disease of disease of heart encompass the range of condition that affect the heart. So let's proceed to the next influenza. Can you please read, Miss Janet, what is influenza means?
Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is an infection of the nose, throat, and lungs, which are part of the respiratory system. It is caused by influenza viruses.
So that is influenza. So we proceed to the next one, which is bronchitis. Bronchitis is an inflammation of bronchial tubes, which are responsible for carrying air to from your lungs. So can you please read what is acute watery diarrhea, the fifth one?
Ac- watery diarrhea refer to the passage of liquid stools instead of films ones. It can occur due to various of reason.
That is acute watery diarrhea. That's for fifth. So we move on to the next is urinary tract infections. This is a common experiencing of women and men, most especially women. UTI is an infection that can occur in any part of urinary system, including the kidney, ut- uterus, bladder, and utera. So let's proceed to the next, which is acute lower respiratory tract infection and pneumonia. Can you please read, Miss Janet?
Acute lower respiratory tract infection and pneumonia. These are infections involve the airways and in structures below the larynx or voice box.
So let's move on to the next is which is hypertension. Hypertension is the hypertensional ay wait lang. One, two, three, go. Hypertension is also known as the high blood pressure is common condition that affect the body arteries. So we down to the last 10 leading causes of morbidity. So can you please read the last one, Miss Janet?
Acute respiratory tract infection refer to an infection that may interfere with normal breathing. It can affect either the upper respiratory system, which include the sinuses and vocal cord, or the lower respiratory system, which extend from the vocal cords to the lungs.
So that is the 10 leading causes of morbidity in the Philippines. So let's move on to the top 10 leading causes of mortality among males and females in the Philippines as of 2019 according to Department of Health. So the 10th one is male transport accident. Can you please read, Miss Janet?
Mail transport accident, transport accident refer to any incident that occurs during various modes of transportation. Female remainder of diseases of the genitourinary system, the causes and the risk factor of genitourinary disorder includes family, medical history, smoking, cigarettes, or using others' tobacco products, overweight and obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, frequent UTI, and stress.
So that is the 10th one. So we proceed to the 9. Male is other heart diseases. So heart disease is a broad term that encompasses various conditions affecting the heart and cardiovascular system. For male, that's for male. For female, respiratory tuberculosis. Respiratory tuberculosis is contagious bacterial infection caused by Microbacterium tuberculosis that primarily affect the lungs. So we move on to the next, which is, can you please read, Miss Janet, the next one?
Male is hypertensive diseases. Hypertensive heart diseases refers to a group of disorder that occur due to high blood pressure, including heart failure, ischemic heart diseases, and left ventricular hypertrophy. In the female, chronic lower respiratory infection, chronic lower respiratory infection are the type of respiratory infection that affect the lungs or the area below the voice box.
So We proceed to the seventh part of 10 10 morality in the Philippines. So, the seventh one is respiratory tuberculosis again. Respiratory tuberculosis again is the continuous bacterial infection caused by bacterium tuberculosis that primarily affect the lungs. So, ito na yung pang seven. So, for female is other heart disease. Heart disease is a broad term that encompasses various conditions affecting the heart and cardiovascular system. So, napapansin nyo kung paulit-ulit lang, pero ito yung parang 10 to 10 to 1, ito yung pagkasunod-sunod nila. So, we proceed to the next one, which is the sixth one. Can you please read, Miss Janet?
In the male, diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affect how the body turns food into energy. It is characterized by the body inability to produce or effectively use insulin, a hormone that allows glucose to enter cells and be used for energy. In the female, hypertensive diseases. Heart diseases refer to a group of disorder that occur due to high blood pressure, including heart failure, ischemic heart disease and left ventricular hypertrophy.
So, in the fifth one is the chronic respiratory infection. So, class, the chronic lower respiratory infection encompasses a range of conditions affecting the airways and lungs, including the pneumonia, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. That is a male. So, we proceed to the female, diabetes again. So, this is a fifth one. The chronic health condition that affect how the body turns food into energy. It characterized by the body inability to produce the effectively use insulin, a hormone that's allow the glucose to enter the cells to be used for energy. So we proceed to the fourth one, male. Can you please read Miss Janet again?
Pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs, causing cough with a plagium or pus, fever, chills, and difficulty breathing. In the female,
Cerebrocular.
cerebrovascular diseases, cerebrovascular
Brocular.
diseases refer to a group of disorders that affect the blood vessels and blood supply to the brain, including conditions such as stroke, transient ischemic attack, or TIA, aneurysm, and vascular malformation.
So, okay, thank you. That is the fourth one of the 10th morality. So, we proceed to the three to the third one, I should say. Malignant neoplasm, also known as a cancer, are abnormal to exhibit growth of tissue that invade that and destroy the surrounding of tissue, may from metastasis and can be fatal, untreated, and responsive to treatment. For a female is pneumonia again, an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs, causing cough and phlegm or pus, fever, chills, and difficulty breathing. So we proceed to the next one is the second one is, can you please read, Miss Janet?
The male cerebrovascular diseases. Cerebrovascular diseases encompasses a range of condition affecting blood vessel, supplying the brain, leading the serious sequences like stroke, brain aneurysm, and brain bleed. In the female is malignant neoplasm, also known as the cancer, are abnormal and excessive growth of tissue that invade and destroy the surrounding tissue, may form metastasis, and can be fatal if untreated or unresponsive to treatment.
So, napansin niyo guys, class is paulit-ulit lang yung yung mga nabanggit dito sa female and male morality in the Philippines. Ito yung pagkasunod-sunod niya. So, nauulit lang siya based on the scale of 1 to 10. So, both male and female. Ischemic heart disease. Ischemic heart disease, also known as the coronary heart disease or coronary artery disease, is a condition characterized by the narrowing of the heart arteries due to the buildup of plaque, which is restricted the blood flow and oxygen supplies to heart muscles. So that is the morality and morbidity in the Philippines according to Department of Health. So, here's your activity. Can you please read your activity, Miss Janet?
Make an essay about morbidity and mortality showing the developmental awareness.
Send me to the DC of your activity. So, here's your assignment. Do advanced reading of communicable and non-communicable disease to be passed on tomorrow. So, that's it for today, class. Good day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.